Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use virtual memory on Windows 11 to optimize your computer performance. So specifically if you have lower end hardware or you have very little memory or RAM, this is where we'll show you guys how to increase the performance of your computer, at least marginally. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the Start menu or the Start menu search. So go ahead and left click on that. Type in Advanced System Settings. Best result should come back with Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go ahead and select underneath Performance. Select the Settings button. Then you want to select Advanced. And then underneath virtual memory, a paging file is an area of the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. Select Change. Uncheck versus automatically manage paging file size. And you want to select custom size to whatever recommended is. So just type that number in. Again, it'll likely be different in your case. So again, exactly what recommended is, just type it in here. And then select Set. And then select OK. You will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect, so select on OK, OK again, and let's go ahead and restart our computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully it was as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.